Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to make a border. So if you want to make border, you can use the brush tools and then go to this option. Okay, we can choose the rectangle drawing tools. After it, you can change for the pattern styles. Brush, in here I will use this brush as example. Now you can apply into the canvas. I will click from these points into here. So it will be create the border. Okay, you can create again. Like in here, I will create new layer and I will delete this border. You can create another, like I will change for the brush. I will use this option for the brush and you can click again, like from this corner points into here. That will be create the border into this canvas. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to make a border. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.